Okay, so I just recorded a whole recap of my buys and I was muted. So we're gonna go over it again. On the daily chart, we got NASDAQ. Monday's candles stayed within Friday's range, so we don't get too much information off of this chart. Once we go to ES, we do see that Monday came up and closed above this Friday high right here. So this gives us a bullish bias. We're targeting Monday high. And then once we scale down to the 1 hour on NASDAQ, we have this order block that we used yesterday. So I'm sort of thinking that we're going to retap into that gap just because that Monday high is in that. Um, Shit, looks like we took out the London high as well. Um, but then on the hourly, we have London low and then London high. Not too much information from that, just giving us a couple liquidity levels. But we do still have this bullish bias, and I wanted to see price come below this 8 a.m. low, maybe even to this London low. And then on ES, we have this hourly fair value gap under us. So I was hoping that we would tap into that gap, but it's not really looking like that's what we want to do. We shall see. If this Monday high gets hit, I'm just going to turn off the charts. We'll be done for the day. That's my target. Monday high. Give me 1 second. After I put my socks on, I'm gonna go put in my contacts and then I'll go over sort of that trade we took yesterday. All right, we can see now. This will go over this trade. So we got the 9:30 opens right here. I was initially looking for shorts here, but we never got anything. I wanted to get closure below here. We didn't get closure below here. We just kept pushing up into this order block, which is ultimately what I wanted to see to start going short. Looking back at it, this probably would have been a good entry. I retrace back up into this gap, but I wanted to be extremely, extremely confident that I was on the right side. So I waited until we got this little consolidation. Once we had that, I waited for a 1 minute break coming out of that. So this candle here closed below all these lows. That's why I entered short. On Nasdaq, only entered short on one contract, 30-point stop loss. Then, as you can see, we kind of moved into profit right away, moved into drawdown, moved back into profit, moved into drawdown, and then I took it off right here. Once margin rates ran out, but it's fun because I would have got stopped out anyways. But back to today. Yeah, we're not getting any type of sweep of any sell side. It's going to be hard to enter anything without that sweep. Well, there we are into the order block. Monday highs probably coming soon. And we were correct. We were right again today. Not able to take a trade on it, but we are still right. Happy with that. All right, I'm getting off of here. Gonna eat some breakfast and head to work.